Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, I would like to thank the Board of Examiners. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Kamal. I want to present my thesis proposal, the effect of locally generated revenue, intergovernmental revenue, and capital expenditure to regional financial performance. And then I want to present three chapters. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, Literature Review. And Chapter 3, Research Method. And I want to present Chapter 1, Introduction. My background of research. Indonesia is a country that consists of various regions, carrying out the economy system. Of course, each region is given its own right and authority to manage the region. So, with the region autonomy, the country follows the principle of decentralization. According to Law Number 23 of 2014, decentralization is the transfer of function from the central government to the region with the delegation of authority to achieve efficiency governance. The main character that show that the region is included in the region that have carried out autonomy is the ability of the region to obtain its own financial research and dependence on the central government is very small. The implementation of regional autonomy provides a vital opportunity for local government to optimally utilize the potential. High demand on local government led to performance measurement with the aim of building good and efficiency governance. Next, high demand on local government led to performance measurement with the aim of building good and efficient governance. Performance is an achievement of what has been planned. So, the performance can be said to be good if achievement exceeds what was previously planned. The ability to manage by the regional government is reflected in the regional budget (APBD), seen from the reception of regional revenue as well as the ability to finance regional development given to the community. In the financial statement for the 2017 budget year, the province that received a qualified opinion for all city and agencies and maintained the WTP opinion 3 times in a row from the BPK was Banten Province. Weakness include managing local revenue, particularly regarding corporation with unfavorable third part and other weakness of non-compliance with regulation on provision of goods and service and physical capital expenditure. Banten Province obtained WDP opinion for 16 years and finally got WTP opinion in a row from 2016 to 2018. One of the things that made Banten Province won WTP opinion from the increasing apparatus of in carrying out its work that regional apparatus began so completely with the regulation applicable. Formulation of the problem in my research: is there an influence between locally generated revenue, intergovernmental revenue, and capital expenditure with the financial performance of the Banten provincial government in the 2012 until 2018 fiscal year? Research purpose: determine the effect of locally generated revenue, intergovernmental revenue, and expenditure on the financial performance of the Banten provincial government in the 2012 until 2018 fiscal year. Next, novelty research. This study has an update from the previous research because in this study will examine the effect of locally generated revenue, intergovernmental revenue, and capital expenditure together by using the ratio of efficiency. The object that has never been studied in the realization of the APBD report in Banten in the 2012 until 2018 fiscal year. Next, Chapter 2, Literature Review. My big theory is agency theory in government. Agency theory talks about the relationship between the principal and the agent, where the principal employs the agent for the benefit of the principal, including in the delegation of decision-making authorization. The relationship between agency theory and this research is that the government, acting as an agent, must establish certain strategies to provide the best service for the community as the principal. And number 2, regional government financial performance. The financial performance of local government is a measurement of the achievement of the ability of local government in managing finance. The performance can be said to be good if the results have exceeded what was planned before and vice versa. Local government must be able to manage their finance well because they can influence the trust and welfare of the community. And next, measurement of regional government financial performance has three formula. Number one, local government financial independence ratio with a formula local original income times 100% divided by central plus province transfer plus loans. And number two, local government financial efficiency ratio with a formula transfer income times 100% divided by total regional revenue. And number three, local government financial dependency ratio with a formula transfer income times 100% divided by total regional income. And next, theoretical framework has three theoretical. Number one, locally generated revenue to regional government financial performance. Locally generated revenue is revenue that has a source of collection carried out by region based on regional regulation in the form of tax revenue. The result of regional life, the result of the management of separated regional asset and other regional income imposed on each individual of business entry. Number two, intergovernmental revenue to regional government financial performance. Intergovernmental revenue is one element of regional income source from the APBN, which aims to assist region in funding development and to reduce disparity in funding source between the central and regional government concentrating or revenue. Number three, capital expenditure to regional government financial performance. Local government revenue can build its infrastructure and infrastructure needed by the region as represented by capital expenditure. The more development that is carried out, it will increase revenue growth for local government. And next, hypothesis formulation has three hypotheses. Number one, locally generated revenue influence the regional government financial performance. Number two, intergovernmental revenue influence the regional government financial performance. Number three, capital expenditure affect the financial performance of total local government. Chapter 3, Research Method. This research will be carried out from April to completion. This research will be conducted at BPKD, Provinsi Banten. The research method uses a method with a quantitative approach. The data used come from the realization of the regional budget or APBD within 7 years. The population of this research is all city or regency in Banten Province. The sample of this research uses non-probability sampling with scattered sampling method that is namely 860 or regency in Banten Province. Instrument arrangement. Number 1. Regional government financial performance. Regional government financial performance is a picture of the implementation of an activity with a formula total realized expense divided by total realized revenue. Next, 2. Locally generated revenue. Regional original income is a source of income that is owned by a region from various businesses carried out by the regional government with a formula local tax plus regional levies plus management result separated wealth plus other legal income. And next, number 3, intergovernmental revenue are funds provided by the central government of regional government among the enabling service and well of the community so that development of equity in all regions with formula general allocation fund plus special allocation fund plus revenue sharing. Number 4, capital expenditure are expenditure made by local government to add fixed asset that provide benefit over a budget period for the community with a formula then capital expenditure plus capital expenditure for building plus capital expenditure for machine tools and plus road irrigation network capital expenditure plus physical capital expenditure and others. And next, data collection technique. The data used are secondary data, namely the relation report of the government budget and regional or APBD expenditure of Banten Province in 2012 until 2018 fiscal year. And next, data analysis technique with my research. Number 1, descriptive analysis. Number 2, classic assumption test with normality test, multi-collinear test, autocorrelation test, heterogeneity test. Number 3, multiple regression analysis. Number 4, hypothesis testing with test static T coefficient of the determination. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it's full. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.